Today we are going to learn how to make simple questions. First, let's look at a sentence with to be. When a sentence has a form of the word to be, all you have to do to change it to a question is move the verb to the beginning of the sentence. Let's take a look at an example to see how that works. He is older than his sister. Now move the verb to the beginning of the sentence, so he and is change places. Don't forget to add a question mark at the end of the sentence. Is he older than his sister? Let's look at another sentence. They are walking to school. They and are change places. Are they walking to school? What about a sentence with can, must, will, shall, and have? These words, can, must, will, shall, and have, are verbs that are always used together with other verbs. For example, he can play the guitar. Can is what we call an auxiliary or helping verb, and play is just a normal verb. To make a question, you also have to put the auxiliary verbs can, must, will, shall, or have at the beginning of the sentence. For example, he can speak Dutch. Can he speak Dutch? Can changes places with he and moves to the beginning of the sentence. Let's look at an example with will. They will be at home tomorrow becomes will they be at home tomorrow? Now practice these rules with the exercises. You can also take a look at the grammar sheet or watch this video again if you don't understand.